This is a 2011 Silverado. Has a 5.3 with a cam and an on 3 turbo kit. Staying kind of mild on the boost, about 9 pounds of boost. And tuned it today on 93 and E85. It's on some bigger mud tires. I don't know, they're not too tall. Looks to be 33s. And he just got the turbo kit installed, and we actually started on it earlier, but earlier in the year, last year, but we were unable to finish it because of fuel system issues. So this one started at 454, 425 on 93, and on E85, 524, 531. There again, very soft on the timing. I think we had about 14, 15 degrees on 93 and 18, 19 on E85. Doesn't have but 50% ethanol content in it now, so we, trying to be easy on it. And we shot for 11.5 air fuel ratio. Nailed that pretty good. Nice driver. He may turn it up when we get some more ethanol content, but right now we are unable to do so as winter blend, and it's more of a driver than a race truck. But we don't do a lot of turbo setups around here, so it's fun to get to play with one. And if we up it to 13 pounds of boost, should probably make in the 650 range. If we get about 12, 13 out of it, because now it's only making 9. We got some pulls. We'll put the pulls next in the dyno sheets and get you an idle clip here. Hey, what cam and exhaust do you have on here? Because I always post it in the video and I forgot to write it down.
Texas Speed 216, 220 cam with 550 lift. The exhaust is a 3.5 inch stainless downpipe all the way back to a 3.5 inch Borla XR1.
Okay.
And just straight out the back.
All right, cool. Is that cam like a stage or anything?
It's stage 2, I think.
Stage 2 truck NA kind of cam?
Yeah, they don't really classify it.
Okay.
But it's either a 2 or 3. I think it's stage 2.
Okay, just wondering. I know people always ask them, what cam, what exhaust, what this?
Yeah, it's a 112 LSA on the cam.
Yeah, it seems to be happy with the turbo, didn't care.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
They have a turbo cam, so I was hoping that this cam worked out good for the application, but I'm actually happy with it. It worked out really good.
Yeah, I think it did good.
Yeah.